Look at this mess. Impossible to fix, right? Wait for the magic. The journey from chaos to clean is always the most satisfying. Today, we're taking on the toughest transformations. The initial layer, the crust of the past. Watch how that potent solution just lifts and separates the grime. Instant satisfaction. The moment of truth. That high-pressure precision. There is nothing better than seeing the original beauty emerge from under years of dirt. The ultimate reveal. It's all about the details. That razor-sharp edge. That flawless, buttery smooth surface. Perfection isn't achieved. It's restored. And here it is, the final result. 100% restored. A true masterpiece of patience and cleaning power. The world just feels right when things are this clean. If this video satisfied your brain, hit the like button and subscribe for more transformations. Tell us in the comments what we should restore next.